Okay, I need to tell one thing very clearly first. I'm not a financial advisor. So, Friday, 8th of December, last trading day of the week. Let me say the possible scenarios. There can be multiple potential scenario. I think the pre-market right now is not really looking so good. So, like explosive, I guess, or bullish. So the first scenario can be it can come down again to 237, and after that it can go up. Another scenario can be in the first 5-10 minutes it will explode, and there in first 5, 10, and 15 minutes, the first three candles can be very bullish, very green, and it can touch the 244 or the 245. Then there might be a pullback, and even after 15 or the half an hour time, if the market is still bullish, it might go up to 246 or 248, even 249. But I think possibility is there is a possibility, but rare. That's a rare case. Right now, right now the market has been, from previous days analysis, I think there is 2 point very important. Resistance is around 243 level, 243 to 244. This is the current resistance level, and the nearest support I think is 240 to 239, and the next stop is obviously 237. If we lose this one as well, then we're in real trouble. If we also lose the 235-ish level, we're in serious trouble. And if it actually closes below this level, so I think the chances are very less. But let's actually hope for the best right now. But this is also true. There is a resistance as at 243 and then 246. These two level is a very important level of resistance right now. And also in the downside, 240, 239, and 237, even 235. So these are the support. So let's see what happened today and last day of the week. Sorry. So it was not bad, but uh, not that optimistic as well, because there is a clear resistance here, and I'm not sure how at this point it will react. If it actually engulf, and it's a engulfing uh, bearish candle or red candle here, then there is trouble. There is still trouble. But if the next couple of candles are small and dodgy, then the market will keep going up and up. So right now it's very difficult to say. Right now it's very difficult to make any comment, but at least the first 15 minutes was not that disastrous, or it doesn't look like it is in danger. The market is in danger. I don't really think so. I don't want to think so. So I think after 10, or right now is 9:48 a.m. So after 10 o'clock or 10:15, it will be quite clear. Uh, but again, right now it's not really looking so good either, because it's kind of engulfing the last bull candle, last green candle. Again, it's trying to react. Let's see. So it's 9:56 a.m. Right now, the only way I see is down right now. If a massive green candle cross this VWAP line and try to settle above the VWAP line, then it's a different scenario. But right now, the only way is I see is to go more down and probably to get down to 239 or maybe even 237. And after this, when it reaches here, it should react. If it doesn't react here at this level of VWAP line, it should come down. But if it reacts here like very strong reaction, bull reaction, and sometimes it happens at this line around this VWAP line, it's become a very green, very strong bullish candle, then the market starts to go up. So if that's not the case, market should come down. So not bad, not bad at all. As I was saying, I was expecting a bullish, strong bullish candle at this point of VWAP line. So right now, I'm really optimistic that market will go at least up to 246, maybe even more. And but I expect another one or two red candle at this point. So yeah, quite optimistic right now, because it clearly rejected to go below 241 or 2. It came down to 241.23. Yeah. So right now it's trying to make a move. Let's be optimistic from this point. It's 10:06 a.m. Not bad, right? Not bad. So at 10:40 a.m. now. So not sure what exactly market is trying to do right now. So let me share the screen. Yeah. I was kind of scared about this candle, this doji at around the resistance level of 244.63, as I mentioned in the morning. And after this doji, it was quite clear that there will be a red candle, and it's quite reddish. It's quite big red candle. So I'm not sure will it keep it above the VWAP line, or it will try to go down, go below. So it's actually in a risky position. And I think it's actually trying to go below this VWAP line so far. Just trying to show you three important points. So here is one point, is 239.57, just in the morning, 9:30, 9:32 in the morning. So after that, there was a pullback, and another point is 241.49. Another pullback came and it reversed. It rejected to go down another time, 242. Again, it's happening, 243. So all these four point is important. Why this is important is, let me tell you, just draw a line like this, okay? So here is one point, another, all these are actually trying to say that the possibility is higher, more possibilities to go higher. But I'm not really filtering out the possibility to go down from this point. If it crosses and settle below this VWAP, there is a chance to go down again. So in the stock market, it's impossible to say anything precisely that, oh my God, market will go up or go down. So it's impossible. But what I'm trying to say is, if the entire day stays above this VWAP line, on Monday or Tuesday, next Monday or Tuesday should be a good move, good bullish move. But again, I have experienced the opposite thing as well. One day, like Friday, maybe last year, if I remember correctly, it was end of the April 2022. Tesla moved really bullishly. It was a very good move on maybe Friday, but the next opening day on Monday, it actually crashed. It started the day with a gap down. The market was quite high. The previous day market was just like this, quite high, quite high. And the next day, I thought market will move much higher, but it opened the day below the previous day's close, and the entire day in April, end of April probably, or maybe beginning of April, I don't remember, maybe 4th of April last year, it opened with a gap down, and the entire day market crashed. So that is possible too. So nothing is impossible in the stock market. So let's. So this is exactly what I was talking about, but there is a but, little but. Uh, no guarantee, no guarantee, but quite showing that it's trying to go up. It's trying its best to go up and cross this level 246. Not sure it will be successful end of the day, but possibly at least it's not going down from this point. And I can see at least 4 point, 4 point of which actually directing upward. So not really bearish, at least at this point we can say that. Yeah, I think it actually failed to hold the position over above the VWAP line. It actually came down at this point. So I think the right now I can see the only way is to go down. I do not really see any other way. So maybe it will go below 239 soon. If there is no massive green candle or no massive uh, buying move or something like that, I don't think it's gonna go above the VWAP line again today. So the only direction I see from this point is to go down. Okay, 1:31 p.m. today. I'm gonna finish with this short for today. So let me share the screen. Okay, right. So it came down, clearly it came down, but I don't really think it will fall because it came down to 240, probably a little bit less, 240, and it formed a clear support here. Oh, where is my magic stick? It formed a clear support here at this point, and it's going up. Probably it's gonna fall back, but anyway, uh, I don't think even if it's fall back, uh, it should go back up again at the end of the day. So I don't think it's like a crash for today. So again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm quite expecting that next week gonna be a gap up, like it will go above 246 next week. I really hope, and my analysis is saying that it's gonna be a gap up, probably Monday or Tuesday next week. So even when it came down at this point, I did not really sell because I was kind of expecting this move, even if it was below the VWAP line. I was kind of expecting it will again tease this VWAP and try to go up end of the day. So I think it's a quite a positive side because the thing is, I Why I was not expecting it to go below. Let me tell you one thing. Let me explain you this. The thing is, I was not expecting it to go below this line without another bounce. I know eventually maybe it will fall to 218 or 209 even, maybe. I don't know, end of this month or maybe January, it will fall below. But before that, I at least expect one more bounce. Like before you die, you're gonna at least try to jump for the last time. So that's what I expect. That's why I was quite confident that it should at least bounce back to 256 or to at least 252. Then you can go for a sleep until next year February or something like that. So that's why I was quite confident and I didn't sell my position. So have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you.